I'm Ross, one of the creators of EVR. EVR came as an evolution from the amount of people coming into us already, buying trucks and asking for custom parts. Everything from high lift kits, off-road tyres and even full custom leather interiors.
So one of the most interesting interior options is the custom leather upholstery. The customer can choose all aspects such as the embossed headrest, colour of the leather and even the stitching pattern.
We've also looked at some of the finer detail with audio upgrades and performance upgrades. We can get up to about 248 brake horsepower, a massive improvement from the 188 standard.
My favourite part of the EVR range is the Extreme Suspension upgrade, which gives you 30mm extra height over the standard Nissan Navara. We went through quite a few suspension companies to make sure we get this right, and we finally ended up with the Pedders Extreme Suspension Kit, which gives a good compromise of comfort and off-road ability.
Once we completed the truck, we then looked at custom vans, and which led us to producing the EVR Atlas.
The EVR Atlas was created as an alternative vehicle to the likes of Volkswagen and Ford. Some of the options available are a full body kit upgrade, alloy wheels, window tints, a full vehicle dechrome and an audio upgrade.
EVR is about being able to customise the vehicle to suit your needs, whether that's work, off-road or just standing out from the crowd.